saw in IKEA, I didn't like a lot of stuff. क्योंकि मार्बल का अलग ही चार्म होता है यार 39 का just because, but because it is so expensive. Nothing. Then 1.5 months passes, and then by this time I'm getting anxious that okay, it's her birthday. When will the product come? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Khushbu, and today's video I'm going to show you the little makeover I did for my daughter's room. So come along and have the journey. I have been looking for this really nice piece of furniture for my daughter's room that would have like some area that is open and not shielded, very similar to something that I have on this side in my own room, and some area which is of course closed so that the dust does not go in, and she can display her books and all the things nice, but it should not be very tall or take much of the room as well. And we started the journey last year during her birthday. We went to IKEA, we went to Lifestyle Home Center, and then find piece that we did buy, we got it from Wooden Street. Captured all of those moments in the video form, and I'm going to now play them over here. And once you go through all of them, you will be able to understand how the journey was, what did we like, what did we didn't like, and how I finally find the piece that I wanted. So in IKEA, I didn't like a lot of stuff. That the stuff was okayish but very pricey and not very durable as well. So we thought if we're actually paying so much, then we should get good quality stuff as well. And so IKEA was a no. Then we went to Home Center. So these are the clips of Home Center. So you click pictures and ask him.
Yes, yes.
So we can select the design and tell them.
वही तो देखो गूगल में से डिजाइन दे हाफ प्राइस में कौन सी लगा
ठीक है, let's select the design first. This is also very nice, but it's for 18. 2-door bookcase also, something we need like a bookcase and some storage. This is all closed, but this is more like a wardrobe. Now this is exactly a wardrobe, no? This is for later. No, I want something in glass. I don't want the full thing here. How much is this for 65?
ये मुझे कॉल करे कोई लोग बोले कि मुझे भेजना के लिए.
But we can check. But ये मुझे I want like this in the future. This is very compact, see? है ना? छोटा है बहुत, लेकिन थोड़ा I think it will have more. This is for bookcase. That's what I'm saying. Bookcase options में देखना है मुझे. So yeah, here both side different. So she can put more things. है ना? ये spacious भी है. That's the whole wardrobe. That is for 12 ना? बता तो कितना अंदर है depth and all. Okay. क्योंकि मार्बल का अलग ही चार्म होता है यार 39 का just because, but because it is so expensive. It looks very very luxurious even though this यार मार्बल तो मुझे करना है in life. नहीं ये हेडबोर्ड है सर, इसके पीछे हेडबोर्ड. This is something that we're really liking, this style, because I have my vanity in this way. So let's see. This is for 15. If we can get it made in a little cheaper, we'll probably go for something like this. But this is the style that we are looking for. I love Home Center as it has very good options and variety of options, variety of wood options, steel, like you name it and they would have it. So I loved there, but and the pricing was also much better than IKEA. However, again, we didn't like one piece that really called out to us. We liked one or two, but they were never like 100% get, oh yeah, this is it. You know how like you feel that? We didn't feel in any of them. And then I was just scrolling, and of course Meta now knows all the things that we see and we scroll. So suddenly I got an ad of Wooden Street, and I got to know that it's refurbished wood, and you know how they make it from scratch. And there's a store really nearby to my house. So I was we were going out one day, and I told my husband, okay, let's quickly go and check. So we both went, and we really liked the whole idea of it, the vibe of the. So today is 12th of April, and we've come to Wooden Street with Inaya. Sort of liked one thing, but it's online, so I'm showing you options that they have. Like this is one.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. And then the small one, but इसका थोड़ा छोटा size है ये वाला. This one.
Guys, wait. Guys, wait. Let me
See, I wanted something like this also. It is here, and now I want to show you the final outlook of how it looks like. This is what it looks like emptied, and I'm going to insert what it looks like now filled with all her things.
This is how it looks like. This is from the inside. It's nice, right?
We liked the piece from the brochure, and we gave some advance, say 50% advance, and said that okay, make this and get it delivered. And we thought it will come by the end of March or whenever we want to have it. And 1 month passes, nothing. Then 1.5 months passes, and then by this time I'm getting anxious that okay, it's her birthday. When will the product come? Luckily, she was also not here, so we were like, okay, when she's back, till then it should come. But it didn't come for a long time. It took them a good, at least I would say 1.5 months, 45 days at least to make it. And the glitch was once they made it, they delivered it, nobody came to fix it for like 10 plus days. That's again another story. So they just one day they just gave the delivery and came and put the pieces, but the carpenter had to come and screw them all together and make it a, you know, like a cupboard and a drawer. No, but long story short, I wrote to them that, you know, I love the piece, but I wish your service was better. But I understand that everything is operated from Chennai and only selected pieces that they have, and they need to have their own carpenter and all of those things. Regardless, the service was smooth. It took a lot of time, so keep that in mind when you are planning to have a piece. It will not be like an immediate delivery, because we're used to a lot of these things nowadays. Hope you like this video, and if you are thinking of doing a transformation or adding a few things in your daughter's room, do let me know what they are, and I would love to also show you what other things I have also done. Until next time, bye.